Now, here we have another set of conversations. Now, these are about, do you speak English? So whenever we ask someone if they speak English, we can use these conversations. Do you speak English? Only a little and not very well. Do you know many words? No, I don't. Only the important words. Does your brother speak English? Well, he speaks a little English. Do your sisters speak English? Yes, they do. They speak it very well. Can I help you? Yes, I speak only French. I'm sorry, but I don't understand French. Please find someone who speaks French. What's the matter? I don't speak English. Do you need some kind of help? Yes, but I can explain it in English. Do you think English is easy? No, I don't. Why don't you think so? Because I don't understand it.